This video reviews the release highlights in version 26.0 of WhatsUp Gold. To begin with, a new encryption key has been added to WhatsUp Gold. This master secret key aligns with modern security best practices to safeguard your database against unauthorized access. The key is generated during installation or upgrade to version 26.0. The WhatsUp Gold installer will now ask you whether you want to generate a new key or enter an existing one. Initially, you will choose the option to generate a new key. Be sure to copy and save this key in a secure location before you leave the page. It is very important to retain the master secret key because you'll need to provide it when you upgrade to a later version of WhatsUp Gold, migrate your database from one server to another, install a scalability poller, or recover your configuration and data following a system failure. A new application named Manage Master Secret Key is also installed on your WhatsUp Gold server. Use this application to manage and export your key if you need to move your WhatsUp Gold instance from one server to another. Version 26.0 also expands on WhatsUp Gold's ability to discover and report on SSL certificates. During a discovery scan, you now have the option to look for any SSL certificates and certificate metadata on the scanned devices. You can specify a list of ports if you don't want to use the default port 443. WhatsUp Gold identifies every way a certificate can be reached, such as by IP address, DNS hostname, or multiple URLs on the same port. This ensures full visibility into certificate exposures across your environment. Two new certificate reports were also added in version 26.0 to report on the certificate data gathered during the discovery scan. The certificate's inventory report lists certificate details by device. The certificate expiry summary report view was added to the home dashboard to display certificate information categorized by expiration date. Certificate data is color-coded by date range to make it easy to see any certificates which are close to expiring. Next, a new type of device card has been added to show scan results information. This new device card is available by clicking any line item in the scan results report. The card is formatted similarly to the other device information cards in WhatsUp Gold. It displays device details gathered during discovery, in particular a match summary section and a destination device section, to assist with visibility and troubleshooting of merged devices. The device rescan, refresh, and reset functions in WhatsUp Gold have been given new names, descriptions, and documentation. The functionality itself has not changed, but should now be easier to understand. The first group of changes apply to the device action menu and the rescan device dialog box. The new basic rescan replaces the previous refresh device details option. This option performs a standard refresh of the device using current discovery results. This adds new roles and subroles if the device matches specified scan criteria and automatically applies monitors and attributes associated with newly detected roles. However, any existing roles and/or monitors remain unchanged if they no longer match scan criteria. Advanced Rescan replaces the Include User-Defined Roles control. This option is similar to the basic rescan, but it also updates monitors based on the device's assigned roles and subroles. Note that an advanced rescan can apply monitors and attributes to a device even if it does not match current scan criteria. Update Inventory Data replaces the Remove Stale Data control. This option removes and rescans inventory data for a selected time period and applies the most recent device data available. This can improve role calculation, map information, reporting, and other related features. Version 26.0 also includes a new Reset Replace Device dialog box. Select Replace Device if you intend to replace the selected device with the same or similar device and intend to keep the same IP address. Replacing a device removes and re-evaluates device data such as its display name, SNMP OID, role, subrole, and more. It can also make changes to role-based attributes, custom IP addresses, inventory data, and the MAC address. Select Reset Device if you intend to completely reset the device in WhatsUp Gold. Resetting a device deletes all monitoring and reporting data and removes and re-evaluates all monitors and attributes. Finally, WhatsUp Gold now includes a new subrole for Hirschman devices. The Discovery Scan process will automatically add this subrole to any device with a SysObject ID that starts with the values shown here, and will also add a number of active and performance monitors. For a complete list of enhancements and fixes contained in version 26.0, please refer to the WhatsUp Gold release notes located at docs.progress.com. Thank you for watching this video reviewing the WhatsUp Gold release highlights for version 26.0.